Now let us learn how to find out minimum and maximum value from a particular column. For that, min and max functions are used. The syntax for using min and max function is as follows. Use write select min and then you give the expression. You can mention other column names also if you want to from tables, the table name where you can specify the where condition if you want to. Same is the syntax for max function, just you have to replace the min with max. Let us look at an example. Suppose you want to find out the minimum sales value that you had in the month of June 2015. To do that, you will need to select the minimum of sales value from the table where order date is between 1st June 2015 and 30th June 2015. Let us go and write this query. So let's write select min, the column name is sales, as minimum sales value June from the table name where the order date is between 1st June. So we have to write YYY 2015 is the year, MM and DD. So 1st June and 30th June. So 2015 06 30 semicolon, select the query and run it. So 0.984 is the minimum value of sales order that I received in the month of June 2015. To verify this value, let us find out the total sales values and order it into ascending order, so that the first value that we have is the minimum value. And order by, I hope you remember order by statement. So order by sales ascending. If you do not mention it, by default it is ascending. So you can see we have received all the sales values and the minimum is 0.984. Now let us work out the maximum value using the max function. It will be exactly same. We will just change the max, min to max. So let us select the query and copy it and change min to max and rename the column as maximum sales value and run this query. So the maximum sales value in the month of June 2015 for me was 3050 units. You can check it by again running the previous query in the descending order. So you can see the largest value is 3050 units. So this is how we use the min and max functions. In the next lecture, we will learn about group by function.